Hey, how to create an interesting and unique animation? Today I will try to answer this question. I will create animation in 16 different styles. Hi, Gleb here. Let's start. I will create all the animation in Procreate. Procreate is not only a handy drawing application. You can also create animation in it. My goal is to create an intro for my channel. It should show a lot of ideas that are in the head of a creative person. Before work, I need to decide what styles my future animation will be in. So I proceed to the first stage, the search of ideas. How to quickly draw the face. For inspiration, I will use both of the styles already known to me and something of my own. Honestly, I focus on what inspires me and looks interesting. After the styles were found, it was time for references. Sometimes I say the best reference is yourself, and I'm right. Later, I will make 16 frames for my animation using frames from this video. Once the basic animation is done, it's time to sketch. I do this so that all the frames look organic in the future, and we have no inconsistencies. At this stage, I check the styles I have chosen and decide whether to work with them or not. If all the sketches suit me, then it's time to start working on different styles. And the first one will be my Behance style. For my work I use a minimum of colors and a little stylization. I want the characters to be recognizable and nothing to stop us from reading information from the picture. In my opinion, all this can help me make the illustration more original and interesting. It's time to the next frame. Anime. Honestly, I don't like anime. NANI? But as an experience about getting out of your comfort zone, why not? As a reference, I chose JOJO as the most interesting anime style for me. This style reflects graphic, sketchiness, but at the same time, the illustration looks simply without losing their uniqueness. I also like the color palette of this style. By the way, my appearance is reminiscent of drawing from the Snoopy universe. Therefore, the next style I will call the Snoopy style. As a child, I loved reading these comics, which is probably why I became an illustrator. One of the frames I want to draw in my style, but there is one problem. I draw men a little. I draw girls because I like flowing forms. I see great potential for creativity in this image, and if I draw something for myself, it's better to draw in what you really like. I consider smooth forms and clean lines to be a feature of my style. In general, this is one of the easiest shots for me, because I love to draw simple shapes and also I just adore pink. Another frame I would like to draw in the Gorilaz style. Time to listen to music. Oh no, this music is copyrighted. So you will listen to my story. When I was a little, I adored their videos for their cool visual style. Now I want to repeat it, because I think it's great practice and also an excuse to try something new. Do you know what I love as well as drawing? The correct answer is Lego. I have been collecting various minifigures for many years, so one of the styles would be the Lego minifigure style. For this frame, I just took a picture of one of my favorite minifigure. For this small fragment, I used the stop-motion animation method. For the next frame, I chose an unusual style, 13th cartoon style. I like the limited color palette and the unusual design of the time. What's what I'm trying to convey? Let's go! Maybe in the future, I will try to experiment with the style more. It's all? Now, that all frames for the animation are completed, we can look at the result. Let's go! In the comments you can tell which style you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all the next one. Bye!